For over a century, the magic of motion picture films ran through these cameras. The knowledge that created Lawrence of Arabia, The Godfather, Saving Private Ryan was passed down through apprenticeships, shared on sets, detailed in technical manuals that are now gathering dust on forgotten shelves. We're watching a legacy of craftsmanship and trade secrets fade because it's no longer being shared. Filmmakers today are hungry for this knowledge, not just for the look, but because it gives them a creative edge. And yet most filmmakers today don't know how to use a spot meter or a light meter, how to rate a film stock, how to properly expose film or read a negative. Not because they don't want to, but because that knowledge was never made accessible. I've spent 30 years behind these cameras. I've made countless mistakes. I've pushed film stocks to their limits, experimented without a safety net, and discovered techniques no manual ever taught me. And now I'm bringing together everything I've learned in one epic educational experience. Film is a discipline. It demands trust, precision, instinct, and when mastered, it becomes your edge. Film knowledge isn't dead. It just hasn't been shared. And it's time to change that.